Exclamation mark. Welcome back to my channel AtuomotoXpert, where we dive deep into the world of bikes and cars. Today, we're checking out a machine that's been a go-to for adventure seekers and daily riders alike, the brand new Yamaha YBR 125G 2025. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about looks. The 2025 YBR 125G carries that rugged dual-purpose design with Yamaha's signature styling. The muscular fuel tank, raised front fender, and sporty graphics give it a bold off-road vibe. The updated halogen headlamp with DRLs, if applicable, adds a modern touch, but is it enough to stand out? Personally, I think Yamaha could have taken a bigger leap with the design. But hey, if it ain't broke, why fix it? Under the hood, we have the same tried and tested 125cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering around 10.7 HP and 10.4 Nm of torque. Smooth enough for city rides, but does it pack enough punch for the open road? Well, it's no rocket, but for daily commutes and light touring, the YBR 125G offers reliable performance. The 5-speed gearbox is smooth, but you'll find yourself wishing for an extra gear on the highways. One thing Yamaha nailed is suspension. With telescopic forks up front and a dual shock setup at the rear, the YBR 125G handles rough roads like a champ. Whether you're cruising in the city or tackling bumpy trails, the comfort is top-notch. The seat, though, after an hour or two, you might start feeling it. So, for long tours, you might want to invest in a seat cushion. Now, about features, Yamaha has kept it simple. You get a basic analog digital cluster, showing speed, fuel, and trip info. No fancy tech like Bluetooth or ride modes here. But hey, simplicity often means reliability. Would a fully digital console hurt? I don't think so. Yamaha, are you listening? When it comes to fuel efficiency, the YBR 125G is a winner. With an average of 45 to 50 km/h, it's easy on the wallet. Plus, Yamaha's reliability means lower maintenance costs in the long run. Less time at the mechanic, more time on the road. That's what we all want, right? Now for the big question, is the 2025 YBR 125G worth it? With a price tag of insert local price, it's positioned as a reliable commuter that can handle a bit of everything: city rides, light touring, and even some off-road fun. If you're looking for an affordable, rugged all-rounder, this could be the bike for you. But if you want modern tech and more power, there are other options to consider. That's it for today, guys. What do you think about the Yamaha YBR 125G 2025? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AtuomotoXpert for more honest bike and car reviews. Until next time, ride safe and stay awesome.